Hey guys, I'm Cherie Criswell, an independent designer for Couture, and I'm excited about this project. This is a serving tray my husband built. It's awesome, and I'm chalking it. So first of all, I am using black velvet paste to make this wreath, and then I'm using the S monogram. These are for some very good friends of ours. And again, black velvet paste, just squeegee it on, take off the excess. I'm doing this on the black. And on the other side, I am doing Home Sweet Home with the black velvet paste. You squeegee it on, take off the excess, smooth out the lines, put it back in the jar. You can use it again later. And I'm kind of spacing this out. So I did the home and then I moved it down and did the sweet because I didn't want to get it on each individual lines of the boards on there. And just squeegee it on, take off the excess, put it back in the jar for all three of the words on there. Now, when I was all done with that, I decided to put some flip-flops as they live on the lake. So it just fit. That's what's so fun about this is you can do whatever you want, make it work for you. The colors, the design, whatever you want to do on it. It's so fun. And warning, it's very addicting. I just can't stop doing it. I love it. And I love the results. It makes me feel good. So on the flip-flops, there are 2 layers. So I did wax it a little bit and fuzz the transfer, which just means taking some of the stickiness off. And then with a lighter touch, I do the second layer. I just don't want to pull up the first layer of chalking. And here's the last flip-flop. It's so easy, so fun. So satisfying too. I mean, there you go. I love it. So if you like it too, check out my website, chocouture.com/Cherie Criswell. I also have a VIP group. I'll give you the link below. Sherry Lynn's exclusive VIP group. Thanks, guys.